Hello friends, today I will show you how to use a for loop in Python. Alright, so I have you open up the Jupyter notebook and let us take list 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I want to use a for loop. So in Python you can use a for loop like for I in list 1. I mean this is a list which I want to call, then semicolon. So I keep make sure that this is an indentation. It is highly required. Now for example I want to get the odd even number from the above list. Okay, so for that case I will say if my I is I modulo, where is modulo? Okay, I modulo 2 is equal to 0, then again semicolon print even number. So this is even number. Alright, now if it is not there, then I should say here, sorry, I forget to put it here. If I modulo 2, okay, great. Else then semicolon print this is odd number. Alright, so and then I will give enter. So here I will get the list of 10 element. For example 1 divided by 2, is it equal to 0? The remainder is 0? No. So this is an odd number, then even number, odd number, even number, odd number. So this is the simplest way to use a for loop in Python. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching this one.